Okay, continue. So just now we are using the elimination method by these three equations. Now how about if we are applying the substitution method with the same three equations? Okay, it must be get the same answer. Okay, so substitution method, first of all you have to find an variable to be your subject. So we will find a single variable. Single variable means that without a coefficient in front. This one is a single variable. This one got the coefficient in front. This one also got the coefficient in front. This one is not a single variable. This one, yes, single variable. Yes, this one, single variable. This is not, this is not, this is not. Okay, so from the first equation, let's say I choose x as my subject. X equals to, so I move my negative 2y, and then this negative 3z move over will become plus 3z. So x equals to 3z minus 2y. This one is my first equation. And then this one, after you get the x as your subject, then you substitute in the second equation. Let's say this one is your second equation. 2x minus y plus z equals to 3 is your second equation. So you substitute first equation in second equation. 2x minus y plus z equals to 3. This is your second equation. I purposely blank the x because in order to fill in the x is 3z minus 2y. Okay, then multiply inside 6z minus 4y minus y plus z equals to 3. 6z minus negative 4y minus y, 5y plus z equals to 3. 6z plus z, 7z equals to 3. This one will be your third equation, not solved yet. So just now we are using the first equation. This is the first equation. After you get the subject, then you substitute into the second equation. So these two done. Now you find another pair. So let's say we use this pair. Okay, so using the same, we use the first and the third equation, first and third, because at last you have to left your z and y. So now this is the first step. This is second step. First step, second step. Okay, so I substitute the first equation in third equation. So this is my third equation. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. Okay, step 1. This is step 2. Okay, so substitute first equation in third equation. Third equation, negative 3x. We can see my x in order to substitute x. X is 3z minus 2y. Multiply in, expand, negative 9z, negative plus 6y plus 2y minus 2z equals to negative 5. Okay, negative 9z, negative 2z, negative 11z. 6y plus 2y, positive 8y equals to negative 5. Okay, so make sure the two equations that you left here, we have the two same variable, same two variables, z and y. Okay, then you have to make one of the variable as your subject again. So let's say I make z as my subject, 3 plus 5y. So z will be equals to 3 plus 5y over 7. Just now this is the third equation, this one will be the fourth equation, and then this is the fifth equation. And now you have to substitute the fifth equation in the fourth equation. Okay, so negative 11z plus 8y equals to negative 5. Negative 11z plus 8y equals to negative 5. Negative 11y. This y you have to substitute with the new object, 3 plus 5y over 7. Okay, this one cannot simplify, so you have to multiply above of the denominator. Negative 33 plus minus 55y over 7 plus 8y equals to negative y. When it comes to the fraction, it's quite troublesome, so you have to remove it by multiply 7. for all. 7, 7, 7. This one can be simplified. So you left only negative 33 minus 55y. 7, 8, 56y. 7, negative 5, negative 35. Okay. Negative 55 plus 56, these two, you will get single y. Press calculator, you press calculator. Negative 55 plus 56, you will get 1. So 1y. And then this negative 33 bring over equals to negative 35 plus 33. You will get y equals to negative 2. Okay, continue. Continue to find your z. So z equals to 3 plus 5y over 7. Z equals to 3 plus 5. Okay, your y is negative 2. So substitute your y equals to negative 2. Y equals to negative 2. Sorry, this one will be 3 minus 10 over 7. So z will be negative 3. Negative 7 over 7. So you will get z equals to negative 1. So you have y equals to negative 2, z equals to negative 1. How to get your z? From the first equation, our x is 3z minus 2y. So x is equals to 3z minus 2y. X equals to 3x minus 2y. Z negative 1. Y negative 2. Press calculator. You will get negative 3 plus 4. So x equals to 1. Okay, so let's check the answer. Is the answer correct? Z negative 1, y negative 2, x 1. Compare to the answer just now. X 1, y negative 2, z negative 1. X 1, y negative 2, z negative 1. Done.